Today I will be making a creamy chicken strips and rice bake.
Welcome to Troll's Outdoor Kitchen and Grill. Welcome to Troll's Outdoor Kitchen and Grill. Embrace the fire. Embrace the fire.
Today's ingredients are cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, onion powder, garlic powder, seasoned salt, poultry seasoning, heavy cream, paprika, Cajun seasoning, chicken broth, rice, and Tyson frozen chicken strips. Rice and water is boiling. Now I'm adding my chicken strips to my skillet. Now I'm going to add my various seasonings. Actual portions of these seasonings will be linked in the description box. So now I'm going to prepare the cream mixture. Adding the various ingredients for that. Some heavy cream right there. Chicken broth. Had to get a bigger stainless steel mixing bowl. So now I'm going to mix those ingredients and then I'll add my seasonings.
Country boy, Mississippi boy, collard greens and cornbread phrases should be included in the song. Should be included in the song. Should be included in my song.
So my rice is done. I'm going to add the cooked chicken. Followed by the cream mixture that's been seasoned. Now I want to mix everything thoroughly and make sure that it's smooth. Add aluminum foil and place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Taking it out the oven, now I'm going to add my cheeses. That's Parmesan and cheddar cheese. Once again, instructions on how to make this and ingredients will be in the description box. So now I'm going to place it back in the oven at 350 for another 20 minutes.
Mississippi boy, country boy, Mississippi boy, Mississippi boy, country boy, Mississippi boy.
So there you have it, folks. Creamy chicken strips and rice bake. And now the taste test.
Country boy, Mississippi boy.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. See you the next time.